What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to take a look at where you can download your tax documents or your 1099. If you've been trading on the WeBull platform, where do you download your tax documentation? So I'm going to talk about that in today's video. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, this is a channel dedicated to the WeBull platform tutorials and all the different tips and tricks on how to help you to better be a good investor using the WeBull platform. So definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So let's jump right in. So to download your tax documents on the WeBull platform, ideally, I know most people use the WeBull mobile app, but where you want to get your tax document, the best place to go is on the web app. So logging into the web app, and then you want to go to webull.com/edocs. So remember to add /edocs to get access to your tax documentation. Once you do that, you should be able to download your tax documentation for as long as you've been on the platform. So you can choose, say, 2020, and you should be able to download for 2020. Or if you want just the last 6 months, you should be able to get just the last 6 months. Or for as long as you've been trading on the platform, you can download that on the platform. So for, again, it stays right here for large document. Our web platform is the best way to download your tax document, monthly statement, and daily confirmation. So again, that's just another heads up that I wanted to give you. And here it says, in addition, if you have deleted your WeBull brokerage account, you can only download your tax documents through logging in the original account from the WeBull website. So this is kind of a caution for you here. So if you delete your account, you have to log into the original account through the WeBull website to download your tax documentation. So that was it for this video. Again, if you're new, go ahead and smash that like button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on new content. And I'll see you guys in the next one.